It has been a year that no one could have imagined. 2020 has created a lot of anxiety for all of us. Words like pivot, unprecedented, and new normal only serve to create greater uncertainty in our respective worlds. Through it all, business event professionals have been resolute in their commitment to finding solutions for a better future. We believe that recovery is coming. 43% of you told us you were feeling hopeful about the future in our most recent Convening dashboard survey. In November, PCMA held its first event since February in Sydney. Almost 600 gathered digitally and face-to-face as part of our Global Recovery Forum. As we begin the new year, PCMA wants to help business event leaders and their partners everywhere shift the tone of 2021 from crisis to recovery. At Convening Leaders, PCMA is prepared to do what is necessary to ensure your community, business and/or career are ready for that recovery. We want business event stakeholders everywhere to feel better about their future. We believe success in recovery for all of us starts with understanding how the economic complexities from the pandemic, shifting geopolitics, and rampant technological evolution impact our businesses and careers. To help us make sense of it all, our opening keynote, New York Times Foreign Affairs columnist and best-selling author Thomas Friedman will provide you with a blueprint for overcoming the stresses and challenges in a never-changing world, streamed from our Global Broadcast Centre in Singapore via Marina Bay Sands Hybrid Event Studio. PCMA believes the future of business events is omnichannel, allowing for greater audience engagement and growth, plus customised experiences. At CL21, we will show you what that looks like. We will be streaming through our Global Broadcast Centre in Singapore, connecting business event stakeholders around the world via Marina Bay Sands Studio, and we will be meeting safely face-to-face through our official network partners. A global network of content and engagement experiences provided by some of the greatest brands, destinations and venues supporting our recovery. You can be part of the CL21 experience how you wish. CL21 will help you reconnect with your peers and business partners through our micro communities, conversation starters, and all activities found in the kitchen. These connections are made possible through our next generation AI-enabled Juno event platform. We know budgets are tight everywhere, but we believe the best way to ensure that your careers, businesses, and communities are ready for recovery is to connect and gather. We want to make it affordable for as many people possible to participate at the event. We're doing this through our simplified pricing structure. Face-to-face or digital, planner or supplier, members will pay $295 for 3 days of connections and insights. Be a part of an enterprise group of either 5 or 10, and it's only $199 each. Non-members pay $450, which is up to 75% less than 2020. There is no doubt how difficult this year has been for all of us, but recovery is coming and we all need to be ready for it. We believe business events will be part of the restoration of our communities, businesses and households. This is your time and it starts at Convening Leaders 2021. If you're interested in an exclusive sneak peek on how we have flipped the script on CL21 before the event goes live, check out our free webinar series where we will talk about the strategy for the new event model, demonstrate our Juno event platform and more. Thank you, and I hope we see you soon.